In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Uber Eats. Notifications can be quite distracting. Turning them off can help you focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, we will turn off all Uber Eats notifications on your device. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. This app usually looks like a gear icon. Once you tap it, you will see various options that control your device's functionalities. Navigating here is crucial because this is where you manage all app settings, including notifications. You want to make sure you have control over what alerts you receive, so let's proceed. Next, tap on Apps if you are using an Android device. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, look for notifications instead. This distinction is important because it directs you to the right section of your device settings. In this area, you will find a list of apps installed on your device, and you can manage each app's notification preferences. Seeing all your apps listed will give you a sense of how many notifications you can potentially silence. Now, find and tap on Uber Eats in the list of apps. This step is essential because it allows you to focus specifically on the settings related to Uber Eats. Once you select it, you will see various options tailored to the app's functionalities. This will help you streamline your notifications according to your preferences. If you are using an Android device, you may need to tap on Notifications next. This step is vital for ensuring that you are in the correct section where you can manage notification settings specifically for Uber Eats. On iPhones and iPads, this step is typically not necessary, so you can proceed to the next action directly. It's a small detail, but an important one to manage your app notifications effectively. Now, turn off Allow Notifications on Android or Allow Notifications on iPhone or iPad. By doing this, you are effectively silencing all notifications from the Uber Eats app. This can significantly reduce distractions. You will notice a change in your notification settings, giving you a more peaceful experience. Next up, we will turn off marketing notifications in the Uber Eats app itself. Open the Uber Eats app on your device. This is where you can manage specific marketing notifications that you may not want to receive. Once the app is open, you will be greeted by the home screen displaying various food options. This familiar interface will make it easy to navigate through the settings. Now tap on Account located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This section is your personal area within the app. Here, you can access various settings that pertain to your account and how you interact with the app. It is essential to get to this part of the app, as it contains the options you need to modify your notification preferences effectively. Next, tap on Privacy. This option will take you to the settings related to how your data and preferences are managed. It is important because it allows you to control how much marketing content you receive. With privacy concerns rising, managing these settings is a proactive step in controlling your online experience. On Ads and Data, tap Personalized Offers, Promos, and Marketing Content. This area specifically addresses the types of marketing notifications you receive. Tapping here will allow you to view and adjust your preferences regarding promotional content. This small action can make a significant difference in your notification inbox. Now tap the Here link to open your communication preferences. This link provides deeper access to how Uber communicates with you. It is crucial for ensuring that you have full control over what notifications and messages you receive. Once you access this area, you will have more options to customize your experience further. Finally, turn off or uncheck push notifications, email, or SMS for Uber Eats marketing messages, then save your changes. By doing this, you will ensure that you are not receiving unwanted marketing communication. Remember that you can't opt out of essential transactional notifications such as order receipts, delivery updates, or support messages. With this, you have successfully managed your notification preferences in Uber Eats. Thank you for watching.